यूरोप के दूसरे ममालिक ने भी फ़लस्तीन को रियासत के तौर पर तस्लीम कर लिया है। मोनाको के शहजादा अल्बर्ट ने कहा कि उनका मुल्क फ़लस्तीन को बाज़ाब्ता तौर पर तस्लीम करता है। उन्होंने सऊदी अरब और फ्रांस का शुक्रिया अदा किया। बेल्जियम के वज़ीर आज़म और लग्जमबर्ग के वज़ीर आज़म ने भी इसी प्लेटफॉर्म से फ़लस्तीन को तस्लीम करने का ऐलान किया। माल्टा के वज़ीर आज़म ने कहा कि गज़ा भूख का शिकार है, जंग फौरी तौर पर बंद होनी चाहिए और इंसानी इमदाद की तरसील को यकीनी बनाया जाए।
Therefore, Belgium is giving out a strong political and diplomatic signal to the world today by joining the group of countries that announces the recognition of the State of Palestine in the margin of this high-level week of the United Nations General Assembly. We are thus joining the initiative of France.
Dear friends, let me begin by stating clearly and unequivocally that the Republic of Malta is proud to confirm our official recognition of Palestinian statehood.
Slovenia has acted. We recognize Palestine together with Ireland, Norway and Spain. We call for a permanent ceasefire, the release of all hostages and the protection of all civilians. We insist that humanitarian aid must flow into Gaza.
That is why I solemnly declare that as of today, Luxembourg formally recognizes the State of Palestine.
Thank you, Chair. Thank you, Your Excellencies, President Macron and Prince Faisal. I stand before you today beneath the emblem of the United Nations to confirm the historic decision of the British government to recognise the State of Palestine. This step.
Since the very beginning, we have spoken out as the Principality of Monaco loud and clear to defend indissociable rights, that of Israel to live within safe and recognised borders and to enjoy security therein, and the right of the Palestinian people to have a sovereign, viable and democratic state. Today we wish to reaffirm our unwavering support to Israel's existence, and we also wish to recognise Palestine as a state under international law.